In this tutorial, I'll show you how to require specific sections based on an answer in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element and add a single choice field. Enter your question, such as Need help, and add the answer options you want. Next, add the field or section that should only be required when a specific answer is selected. For example, add a short text field labeled Describe your issue. At the top of the page, click Settings, then open Conditions. Choose Enable, Require, Mask field to create a new condition. In the If section, select your Need help field. Set the condition to is equal to and choose the answer that should trigger the requirement, such as Yes. In the Do section, select Require, then choose the Describe your issue field. Click Save to apply the condition. Now, when a user selects the specified answer, the follow-up field will automatically become required. You can test the form in preview mode to make sure the condition works as expected. That's how to require specific sections based on an answer in Jotform. Thanks for watching.